Have any of you ever thought about what happens to your plastic bottles, plastic jugs, plastic bags, or even your plastic straws after you simply just throw them away? Hello, my name is William Hughes, and the purpose of my speech is to persuade you to reduce the use of plastic and find solutions in fighting this problem. Each of us should care about this because every human on Earth is ingesting nearly 2,000 particles of plastic every week. These tiny pieces enter our unwitting bodies from tap water, food, and even the air, according to an alarming academic study sponsored by the World Wildlife Fund for Nature. I have knowledge through extensive scholarly research, and I have witnessed this problem with my very own eyes. Today, I'm going to discuss some problems and talk about some solutions about the overuse of plastic. But first, let's talk about the problems. The main problem with plastic is that it hurts the environment. I'm going to discuss 3 ways plastic hurts our environment. Problem 1. Plastic does not decompose naturally. Basically, this means that plastic just sits where you leave it indefinitely. According to Tim Dickinson, the pace of plastic pollution is expected to double by 2030. Problem 2. Plastic contains toxic chemicals such as ethylene. According to Susan Kosher, ethylene is the world's most popular industrial chemical. Since many of our foods is prepackaged in plastic, this puts our health at a great risk. Also, burning plastic is the only way to get rid of it. But burning plastic does more harm than good, and that pollutes our environment with these toxic chemicals, including ethylene. Problem 3. Plastic hurts animals. A lot of animals will eat plastic, mistaking it for food, or even be trapped in it. Plastic is almost impossible to digest and can cause death. When I was at the beach last year, I saw a crab stuck in a plastic bottle, and that really impacted me greatly. Now that I have discussed these problems, I'm going to talk about 3 solutions you can do in fixing this problem. It is impossible to fix this problem 100%, but you can make a big difference in taking these 3 simple actions. Solution number 1. Use alternate materials in replacing plastic. Examples include use a reusable bottle in place of a plastic bottle. Use a metal straw in place of several plastic straws. And even bring your own bags with you to your grocery store or your local farmer's market. Solution 2. Recycle the plastic that you already have and buy products made from recycled plastic. Recycling bins are everywhere. Even though recycling may be inconvenient at times, it is easy to develop habits, and once you develop those habits, it'll become easy. And again, you can make a big difference. Solution 3. Host or attend a cleanup day. Grab some family and friends and have some fun cleaning up some local parks, sides of the road, woods, parking lots, riverbanks, creeks, or just about anywhere you see plastic. Taking this action could help restore the beauty of our nature. The purpose of my speech was to persuade you to reduce the use of plastic and discuss ways to fight this problem. I have addressed some problems and suggested some solutions. If we do not address this problem, according to David Wallace Wells, it is said that by 2050, we expect to see more plastic in our water than we do fish. Let's get to work.